Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus, and welcome to 891 Branch Avenue, Unit 2, located in Providence, Rhode Island. Now before I begin the walkthrough for this one bedroom, one bathroom, second floor apartment, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel to keep up to date on all of the listings that we will have published on our site, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So, we're going to begin the walkthrough of this apartment in the central kitchen area. As you can see, it's a nice spacious kitchen area. Should be able to fit a dining set in here, no problem at all. Also houses the entryway to gain access into the apartment. Now, one thing you'll notice right away about the apartment is the nice, fresh coat of paint that was just applied not too long ago. Very clean, looks fantastic in here. And in this kitchen, you'll notice it has a nice updated vanity right over here, which includes the newer cabinets all around, as well as the medium-sized refrigerator, the granite countertops, the 4-burner stainless steel gas stove and oven, along with the exhaust fan up above, and the double bin stainless steel sink with the spray nozzle. Very nice. Once again, got plenty of room in here for any dining set you'd like to have. Also has plenty of natural lighting in here, thanks to the windows right over here. The outlook onto the street, as well as your parking, your off-street parking, located just across the street. Plenty of room over there. And of course, as you can see, the entire apartment is housed with a gas baseboard heat. All right, so next up, we will look at the living area. As you can see, it has a nice fresh coat of paint here as well. Plenty of outlets for any kind of entertainment system you like to have in here. Could probably fit a sofa in here as well, no problem. Once again, the gas baseboard heat is present in here as well. And I'd like to remind everybody, as always, upon move-in, you will be internet and cable hooked up. You'll notice that this room, along with the bedroom, features a laminate wood flooring. All right. Next up, we'll go ahead and look at the bathroom and then the bedroom. So as you can see, in this bathroom, you have a full tub and shower. Lots of room in here. And of course, you have the nice little mirror and medicine cabinet located right over here, with the small sink set and some cabinets for some extra storage. And of course, upon move-in, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package with all of your showering amenities included. Awesome. Last but not least, we'll go ahead and look at the bedroom. Now, it's a nice sizable bedroom. Should be able to fit a standard size bed in here, no problem at all, with a couple pieces of furniture. You also have plenty of outlets all along the wall for any electronics to be housed in this room. Once again, the fresh coat of paint, the laminate wood flooring, gas baseboard heat, and of course, you have your own closet space available to you in the bedroom. All right, so once again, this is 891 Branch Avenue, Unit 2, located in Providence, Rhode Island. And before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date on all of the listings that we have available on our site, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.